Hello and welcome back to another video from Gerber Campervans. Now today I'm going to be giving you a tour of one of next year's rental vans. It's our rental Cromarty. We've got a couple of T6.1s and this T6 next year. It's just the way things have kind of happened here that we've got a T6, but it's a brand new conversion inside and it is a brand new van. So I'll show you around that and just explain a little bit more about our rentals too. So if you want to follow me in, let's have a look. Our rental Cromarty is a long wheelbase T6 with our Gerber roof installed, and it's got driftwood furniture and it's got this Punanella top, so it's got the sort of wood effect on the sides, and then this hardware and grey surface for the worktop, which is really, really nice. Because it's a Cromarty, it's got the extra cupboard here. Now the difference between the short and the long wheelbase is this cupboard, it's 400mm, and it does make for quite a lot of space. You can see we've already started kitting it out with all of our bits and pieces for people to take away. And that extra 400mm is quite nice if you've got a dog or that kind of stuff. It does make it a much more sort of social space. It's a lot bigger and a bit more spacious. And this van we've also fitted out with a Wallace hob. So any of the guys that are renting can try out the Wallace hob and see if they like the diesel fired hob better than the gas hob that sort of comes in the typical vans. So that's really nice. And you can see we've got our specific sort of kettle and things for the Wallace hob. Because the Wallace is a flat surface, you really want all of your sort of kettles and things to have a flat surface, so there's maximum surface to surface contact, so they heat up extra efficiently, extra quickly basically. And this one also has a can sink, which comes with a nice chopping board on top, and it's a cold water sink, this one. Now you do have the option to fit a Webasto thermotop in any of our conversions, and that would give you hot and cold water, but as standard we fit all our conversions with the 35 litre water tank externally and a cold water. You can see this fan also has the curtains slid shut, and it's just to kind of show you what that nighttime sort of vibe does look like in this van. It's really quite nice. We just go for a simple grey on our rental vans just to keep things simple, but obviously you have the opportunity to, you know, style your curtains with any fabric you can kind of find on the Terry's website that we recommend. So yeah, quite popular is to have camper vans on your furniture, that kind of stuff. So it's nice. And obviously that would be pulled back and cut away. Now, because this is a long wheelbase, it has free seats in the back, free seat belts, so perfect for a family of 5. And this is a rib seat bed, nice and wide. It's 129 centimeters wide. And as you would expect, folds down into a bed with all the storage inside, just like that. This year we're going to be building 3 rental vans. We'll have our Cromarty, we'll also have a Tyree, which is basically the same layout as this but in a short wheelbase van, and then we'll also have our Sana, which is a rear elevation roof, kitchen in the rear, which has the 2 single beds in the front. And we have a thing here at Jerba Campervans called Try Before You Buy, and what that basically means is that, yeah, you can rent our campervans, but if you're genuinely interested in buying one of our conversions, you can take away the van for a weekend or a week, however long, try it out. If you like it and you place an order, then we'll give you back the cost of the week's rental in your order. So yeah, kind of like a try before you buy type thing. You can see in the long wheelbase, this has the bigger fridge. Very nice. One of the 2 tables. There is another table which comes over where I'm sat just here. And of course the front seats spin around as you would expect in all of our campervan conversions, so that's really nice too. So I'll just fold the bed back. Nice and simple. Down we go. And now if you come in and look up, you might be able to see this, but this van is actually fitted with the Jerba elevating roof bed, which is really, really comfortable. It's a beach slatted roof bed, and this one has the fittings on the front for the ladders. So an extra you can have is basically a set of ladders which come down here into the sort of standing area to let you climb up and down into the bed. And yeah, hard to see, but we have a nice mattress on the top too, and it just pushes away. And it's a really popular option for people who might have, you know, a family The kids can go up there, it's really fun. Even if you've got small ones, there is the option to put, we've been trying out on a few vans recently, and it's basically the dimmable lighting, so I can press and hold, and I can sort of dim our big strip light to anything I want, and I can put it back up. And touch on, touch off. It's a really nice little feature. Speakers in the back in our rental van too, which is really nice for anyone traveling in the back. But yeah, it's a really nice van. I just wanted to show you around it, show you around another Cromarty, tell you a little bit about our rental fleet, and hopefully you've enjoyed it. Now, if you have enjoyed it, please make sure to like this video and subscribe. If you want any more information on the try before you buy, you can find that in the description below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.